Another product from BENFEI. So we're going to be taking a look at this 20 watt GAN fast charger, or GAN technology. If you're wondering what GAN is, I will put the definition of it on screen now. Honestly, I don't even know what it means. It's supposed to be mini and portable. It's got smart protection. We go ahead and flip it around. You can see the outputs right here. We've got 5 volt, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, 18 watts max, and so on and so forth. You can pause the video and read that if you would like to. This USB-C charger works for the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, iPod Pro. It's going to work with anything with a USB-C port. It'd probably charge my MacBook Air, no problem. It's got a 20 watt high charging speed, or high speed charging. 20 watt USB-C gives you the power you need to charge up your iPhone to 50% in just 25 minutes. If I had an iPhone with a Type-C, I would test that and prove that for you guys. That's up to 3 times faster than your old 5 watt charger. Now keep in mind, these faster chargers can degrade your battery over time. I personally, with my Pixel 9 Pro XL, just use straight 5 watts. This works great though. This would be something you'd want to take with you to like a hotel or a motel or something. Or if you just need to plug your phone in and get it charged quick to go somewhere, you can do that as well. So it looks like BENFEI was founded in 2021. They've been making chargers, a couple of other things. I think they make like a capture card as well. They make little micro SD card readers for your smartphones, your computers. They make a laptop stand, which we reviewed. I'm going to put all the BENFEI videos up in the cards now. There's also a YouTube short I did, which I will be probably doing a YouTube short on this as well, but I decided to do a full video for it as well. But it looks like they've been serving 20 million customers together with brand merchants for 10 years, which is awesome. I've seen them here and there. Their products are really good quality, especially I've used Anker stuff. I have an Anker charger, which honestly, these are pretty on par with Anker's products and any other products that are out there. Ugreen as well. Ugreen makes some really good stuff, but they're pretty much on par. Especially at a cheaper price. You get that cheaper price and you're basically spending less for the same amount of quality, which is awesome. I can't promise you that the quality is going to be always 100% because I'm not going to promise you something I can't promise. I have multiple BENFEI products and I'm loving their products, and honestly, if you want to go cheaper for pretty much the same quality, I would go with BENFEI. Now, in terms of the actual charger, as stated earlier, it does up to 20 watts of high-speed charging, but it's got dual ports. It's a compact design. It does include a 160 watt cable. So this cable is rated for 60 watts, and it will charge your phone much faster than regular 5 watts. The cable is nylon braided. It's a 3.3 feet or 1 meter included cable. I like the nylon braided cables because they do look really good. They have multi-protection. It's overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, overheating protection, and overcharge protection. As you can see here, I'm just looking at the Amazon page. Universal compatibility. It works with any iPhone, any iPad mini 5, if it does take Type-C, that is, and then the iPad 8 and 9. It just has to have a Type-C port for this to work. You can also just plug in the Type-C to Lightning, and then that'll work as well. It works with any Google Pixel. I'm sure it'll work with my Pixel 9 Pro XL without a single issue. Any of the Samsung series, any of the iPad Pro series. It does not come with a USB-C to USB-A to Lightning cable, or just a USB-C to USB-A, or USB-C to Lightning. And at the time of recording this video, which is May 15th, 2025, you can get this for about $10, which is a very reasonable price for a charger, especially of this quality. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. One thing I could recommend for BENFEI is to make it so one cut will open this thing, not, trying to fidangle with it for 20 minutes trying to get it open. All right, I forgot the edges. Now, we're just gonna rip it open a little. Open this bad boy up, and then we can slide out everything. Nothing else in the box, as you can see. Got the brick here and the charger here. Very nice. Oh, I like that. It's very braided very well. It does tell you it's 60 watts right here. We're not going to need this. This is all going to be recycled. Here is the instructions though. We'll leave that in the packaging for one quick second. Very basic instruction booklet. I did kind of rip it while cutting it open, but it basically just tells you the input, the output, and the dimensions. If you guys want to pause the video, you can. Only just up to 20 watts, so it probably won't charge my MacBook very fast, but it will charge it if it's off. This is also going to be recycled, but we are going to take the charger out of it first. Very, it's not super heavy. This would be a really good travel brick, especially because you got USB-A, and this is very universal. You got Type-C and USB-A for pretty much all your devices. And obviously you got these little covers we can pull off, and obviously all you gotta do is plug her in, and she's charge and she'll be charging your devices. Not really like a whole lot to talk about. It is just a charger. Let me go see if I can find something to plug it into to prove that it works, which it's obviously going to, because I've never really had an issue with BENFEI products. All right, so I did go ahead and grab my Nintendo Switch. It's actually been off for like probably 2 months and it's still at 97%. I don't think it's been used that much. Honestly, I have no idea. I highly doubt it, but I honestly forget I own this thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in and obviously just confirm it's actually charging. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm not really sure how I'm going to get this to reach, though, because the power brick's all the way down there. I mean, no, it might reach. This is actually a really decent long cable. I thought this was 3 feet. This is more like 6 feet. Anyway, let's just plug her in. Oh, and the nice thing about this is the prongs are sideways, so it's not going to sit like this and block all your other like ports on your power strip or like your wall. It's going to sit nice and flush against the wall or your power strip, so you don't even have to worry about it. I'll plug it into the power strip and take a picture of it and put it on screen now so you guys know what I mean. Okay, go ahead and plug her in. Oh, yeah, this case is falling off. I need to get a new one for it, but we could just plug it right into the... Huh. It's charging, though. Yeah, I have like a Nintendo NES. The reason I use the case is because this is so much nicer to hold than like this. It gets really uncomfortable. It is charging. As you can see, we're at 97%. I could let it sit here and charge, but I guarantee you it's going to take a while to go up to like 98. But it is charging. If you guys want to check this out, there will be a link in the description below. And we're also going to be doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to join the giveaway, link in the description. I don't know how the giveaway is going to work yet. I still got to figure that out. I've never done a giveaway on this channel. We are going to be doing a giveaway for this charger. So if you guys want to win this, enter in the description. Make sure to check out all of BENFEI's social media, which I'll put in the description as well as their YouTube channel if they have one. I'm not sure if they do, their website, along with any other information I can find on them. But if you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure to check the link in the description below. And again, if you guys want to buy this, there's also a link in the description. Anyway, I want to thank BENFEI for sponsoring this video and allowing me to do this giveaway on this channel. This will be my first giveaway on the channel. Hopefully this gains me some traction. Share this video with your friends. Maybe they can enter the giveaway too. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already, especially if you're going to be coming back for the giveaway. I will probably be announcing the winner probably just through a YouTube short or something, or on my Twitter, which you guys can check out in the description as well as my website, which has all my social media on the social tabs. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry if I'm talking really fast. It's something I do for some reason, but I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.